Okay, the following tutorial is going to teach you how to use your Photoshop application, specifically the interface, the drop-down menus, and the toolbars. So let's start up Photoshop. And as Photoshop warms up, let's just recognize that this is a very complicated application and that it's going to take a little bit of time and patience to learn this application. Okay, very quickly, this is your interface. Okay, right now I have no document up. Okay, let's just quickly go through our drop-down menus, our toolbar, and then our palettes over here. Okay, so first, let's just quickly make a new document. We get our screen up. I'm going to make a custom and create. Now this is just a white background. Think of it as a blank piece of paper. Notice here, this is now an untitled document here. It sits at 67%. All right, this is my toolbar. There are a number of different tools. The first two tools I want you to be aware of are this move tool here and the type tool here. Okay, we're going to go over those in detail as well. Okay, our palettes are on this side. Now, any of these drop-down menus are going to give you a number of different options. Okay, so if you want something to do or something to change in your layer, you use this drop-down layer. All right, type is here. A selection that has to do with this tool here. All right, we make a selection. This is called your dancing ants, or that's how I refer to it. You're making a selection. Now that I've done that, let's take a look at how this interface has changed a little bit. Up here is your options bar. All right, now these options are specific to the tool. All right, so let's just change tools real quick. Let's go to our brush tool here. Now notice that this option bar has changed. If I click on any of these drop-down menus here, I get a number of options so that I can tweak this tool. Okay? All tools have the ability to be changed and modified. Also within this toolbar, it's important to notice this little arrow in the lower right-hand corner. Let me click that real quick. I'm going to click and hold it. Now these are options on each of these tools. And again, notice that this option bar has changed. All right, now let's say I lose my toolbar. All right, now this is an essential thing to have in your interface here. A very easy and quick way to get that back is to get to your drop-down menu, go to Workspace, and then we're going to reset. All right, specifically, these are a number of different ways to view your application. Primarily, we're going to be working in photography. So I'm going to reset photography. And now my toolbar has returned. Now this can also happen too when we move these layers out. And these are all our palettes. All right, there's a number of things that we're going to learn how to do with all of these things. But again, let's say we get disorganized, we're moving quickly, and we have all these things out. Drop-down menu, Workspace, and reset. And everything will return back to its original state. All right, just the success in working from Photoshop or working within Photoshop comes with your ability to explore, all right, and be brave. Have fun.